Hello po, ako po si Mai and welcome to Tagalog Beyond Basics. Today, I'm going to show you how to describe the weather in a way that shows fluency and higher proficiency. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to start with a simple description, how to add details like temperature, how to compare today's weather to yesterday, and how to express your personal opinion. Handa ka na ba? Sige, masimulan na tayo. Ano ang panahon ngayon sa lugar mo?
Maaliwalas ang panahon dito ngayon. Maaraw pero hindi masyadong mainit at may malamig na simoy ng hangin. Nasa 65 ang antas ng temperatura, sakto lang, hindi mainit at hindi malamig. Mas maganda ang panahon ngayon kumpara kahapon. Kahapon, mas mababa ang temperatura at maulap. Kapag ganito ang panahon, gusto kong maglakad sa labas at mag-ehersisyo. Ayon sa ulat panahon, magiging maaraw bukas. Tataas ang temperatura at inaasahang magiging komportable ang simoy ng hangin sa umaga hanggang hapon. Sa palagay ko, malaki talaga ang epekto ng panahon sa mga tao. Kapag sakto lang ang temperatura, mas masigla ang lahat. Iyon po ang panahon dito ngayon. Kayo po, kumusta naman ang panahon dyan sa lugar ninyo?
So that was a brief but fully developed weather description that demonstrates fluency and higher level speaking skills. These skills are especially useful for speaking tests like the oral proficiency interview because they show your range, your confidence, and your ability to speak naturally. So if you want a complete weather description that shows fluency and helps you aim for high proficiency rating, here's the structure you can follow. First, start with a simple description of today's weather. Next, add specific details like temperature and wind. Then, compare today's weather to yesterday. After that, explain how the weather affects your routine. Next, mention the weather forecast for tomorrow. Then, share your personal opinion about the weather. And finally, close your response by turning the question back to the interviewer. Now, try creating your own weather description using this structure. Practice it again and again until you master the flow and you sound confident and natural. And that's it for today. Kita-kita po ulit tayo sa susunod ha. Paalam, ingat po!